Hi and welcome to Lesson 3 of Table Rate Shipping for WooCommerce, defining rate settings and adding shipping rules. In this video, I will show you how to define rate settings and add shipping rules in WooCommerce Table Rate Shipping. Let's get started. Now from your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now click on the Shipping tab. First, let's understand the calculation types. You can calculate shipping in 4 ways. Per order uses the highest priority shipping class in the cart. Per item charges for each item separately. Per line charges once per product type, even if there are multiple quantities. Per shipping class calculates rates for each class in the cart. Now edit a shipping zone and edit your shipping table. Now scroll down and click on the Add Shipping Rate button. Create a new rule. Choose a shipping class like heavy, medium, or small. Then set the condition based on price, weight, item count, or item count in the same class. For example, if you want to charge based on weight, select weight. Now set the minimum and maximum weight limits. You can also use break to stop calculations after a rule matches, or abort to disable the rule if it applies. Here is a practical example. Let's set a row cost, item cost. You can also add a percentage of total charges. Once the details are added, scroll down and click on the Save Changes button. Recap. In this video, we have chosen a rate for calculation type, added shipping rules based on conditions, like weight or item count, set minimum and maximum limits, used break and abort for better control, and that's it. Now you can create custom shipping rules for your store. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.